Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to add a Places I've Lived life event on Facebook. Whether you've moved to a new city or just want to share your living history with friends, this guide will help you create a meaningful post in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, tap on the box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you typically start creating posts, but today we're diving into something special. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events section. This is where Facebook allows you to highlight major milestones in your life. Tap on it to explore the available categories. From here, select the Home and Living category. This is where you'll find the option we're looking for. Once inside, tap on Places I've Lived. This feature is perfect for sharing details about your current home or any previous places that hold special memories. Now it's time to personalize your post. Fill in all the details about your chosen location. You can include information like the city or town, dates you lived there, and even add photos to make your post more engaging. Once you've entered everything, tap Next to proceed. Finally, review your post to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready to share this moment with your friends and family, tap on Post. That's it. Your life event is now live for everyone to see and celebrate with you. Adding a life event like this is a great way to keep your profile updated and share meaningful moments with those who matter most. So go ahead and give it a try. Your story deserves to be told. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.